Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited today because I really wanted to do this for a long time ago, but I have been making videos of another topics. Anyways, so today's video is gonna be about DIY. I'm gonna be making a print in a shirt, but it's gonna be, of course, homemade, and I haven't done it before in my life, so let's see how it is. I have watched so many videos about it. I really wanted to do it because, as you may know, like, I love drawing, and all these print people usually just make they just download a random image from internet and then just put it in the shirt, but I want to make my own design, so let's see how it turns. Okay. At first, I'm gonna be making one without the transfer paper. So for this one, we are gonna be using a design, in this case my own drawing. I'm gonna be making the print of this drawing, so I'm gonna be using a printer, of course, and some normal paper. Then I'm gonna be using this shirt, that this one I got it for Walmart. It's really cheap, just in case I mess it up. Then we have an iron. We are gonna be using plastic wrap and parchment paper. So after you do this and print it, you put the parchment paper and you iron it, and that's supposed to work and make the print into this shirt. So let's see if that actually works or not. So first I'm gonna choose which drawing I wanna put. I have in here so many of my drawings that I made last year for the Inktober, so I wanna like see which one to make, and I think I'm gonna make a flower one. This one, I want to make this drawing in my shirt, so let's see how it turns. Okay, so first I'm gonna use my phone and I'm gonna scan this, and then I'm gonna send it to the printer. The plastic wrap area is the one that is going to be a little bit difficult. As you can see in here, you should cut it in 2 little pieces of plastic wrap, put the image over the plastic wrap, and then cover it again with another piece of the plastic wrap. So after you put that, take the front side, and actually if it's bigger you can cut it if you want. I recommend you to cut it so you don't have a lot of excess of plastic. And then after you finish cutting all these like extra parts that you have, try to put all the front part into the part behind, so it means that all the extra plastic is gonna be in the back side of your picture, and it's gonna look better in this way. It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's and ta-da! After so many like minutes trying to iron the shirt, it finally was looking good. If you guys can see in here, it actually got like really good stuck in the shirt. Like, the thing that is difficult is the edges of the design. You have to iron it really good, but it's good. It turned out good. So this is shirt number 1. Actually, it feels kind of like thick in here. I mean, it's stuck really good, but it feels thick, so I don't know. I like it though. It's my own design. It's cool. So yeah, I think it really pays really good. Like it feels thicker than the transfer paper that I use in here. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? This second shirt, you see, has a color, so I want to put this koi fish. Actually, I like this shirt so much, so I hope I don't ruin it. And I have in here already in the computer the thing that I'm gonna print. I already scanned this and sent it in the computer, so I'm gonna print it this time in the transfer paper to see. So let's go. The transfer paper, I'm not gonna put it in this side, but instead in this side in here. And I'm gonna send it to see. This is so cool. So I'm gonna be passing actually my own design into this shirt. So let's see how this one works. I think, yeah, that size is perfect. And actually, if you guys see, I have two in here to sting that they are not gonna come out because it's for permanent pilot. So I'm just gonna cover it with this, and my shirt is gonna be pretty again. It says that I have to peel it off, and also in here you can see it has a line, so you can actually take this off. But I have just my phone with one hand, so it's gonna be difficult to do it. So I'm actually gonna put you guys in the other side so we can peel this off and start doing it. Okay, so you take these both sides off and then you put it in here. After it's in there, it says that we put this paper over it and we use the iron, but we have to use it without paper. So let's try to see it, okay? This is really cool. Let's try it on. And this is option number 2, where I use the transfer paper. It feels so much lighter. I mean, I can roll it like so much better than the other one, but still, like, this is huge. I know I make it too big. I mean, I like it in the mirror, it looks good, but yeah, in the camera it looks so big. But yeah, this is how I try to make the DIY today with the transfer paper and using also the plastic paper. And I hope you guys like. Tell me, which one do you think is better, the number 1 or the number 2? In personal, I like more the number 2, but I like the design of the number 1. Now that I finished everything, I want to give you guys my thoughts between the number 1 and the number 2. And the number 1, as you can see, we make it with the plastic wrap and the parchment paper. And in this one, I think it's really thick. It has like a little bit of bubbles, as you saw before in the video. Like, it's not as beauty as this one. So I would recommend you to buy the transfer paper. It's not so expensive. It's like $15 and it's actually really pretty. It's like not so thick, and in this actually say in here that you can wash it for like more than 20 times and it's gonna be a guarantee that it's gonna be looking good. And this one, I don't even know how many times you can actually wash it and it's gonna be looking good because I haven't washed it yet. So I really recommend you to use this. Then I also recommend you to have the iron in really high, like in really like the hottest one that you have. Don't put any water into the iron because you can mess it up, and also don't have any vapor in here. The other thing that I wanted you guys to remember when you guys try to do this is to put in a flat surface. In this case, you guys saw that I made it in over like a table that was made of wood. So actually you can put the iron is stronger and it's gonna be better. Don't make it like in the floor. Don't make it like in a sofa or even in an iron board, because it's not gonna work. So that's what I wanted to tell you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that's all. So this is how it turned out to be. And I hope you guys like it. If you like this, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down. And you can see in here myself, my little crazy bum. But anyways, so I hope you guys like it. And next video DIY is gonna be me painting some with actually like cloth painting. I don't know, fabric painting is how you call it. So stay tuned in this channel for more DIY videos. And thank you for watching this video.